Listen, I know we typically review tech on this channel, but here's the thing. Companies love to send me stuff to kind of upgrade me, like hair products and beard oil. And now Skyrim Wrist sent me a wrist piece. I'm telling you, my wife needs to be 100% concerned about this because if companies keep buying me jewelry and stuff, girl. So who is Skyrim Wrist? Skyrim Wrist is a company that makes custom watches with real Seiko movements, and they have luxury inspired designs. Now, I do want to preface, I do not know much about watches, so don't crucify me in the comments with this. And in full disclosure, Skyrim did reach out to me. They did allow me to pick the watch, and they did send it to me free of charge. So we are going to take a look at what we got and first impressions. Let's switch to the top down view and see what we got here. I feel so pretty. All right, so let's take a look at around the box. We have Skyrim Wrist. We have, I know it's a little out of focus because it's too close. Luxury made accessible. And we have precision craftsmanship and personalization. Nice. Nice. All right, let's start with we got something down here. I love it. All right, let's start with that's what we got. All right. Dear customer, thank you for choosing Skyrim Wrist. Every timepiece we create is a poetic dialogue between time and craftsmanship. Through countless hours of hand finishing and precision adjustments, we strive not only for mechanical perfection, but for a soul that beats in harmony with yours. May this watch accompany you through every chapter of your journey, a quiet witness to your movements of brilliance, and a reflection of your timeless individuality. I love that. I'm not even exaggerating. Reading it just hits you there. I feel like I'm going to do something amazing just by reading that. So definitely very nice words. All right. We get an official certificate of authentication. Very nice touch. Very nice touch. All right, we'll put that to the side. I'm curious to see what this is. I mean, I know what this is. Let's take this out. You guys are probably killing me because you guys want to see what's in the other one. All right, it's just a little tool. I wonder if let's take this out. Put this kind of back. Let's move this over to the masterpiece here. Whew. Oh, that looks pretty amazing in person. I don't even think the camera is justifying how good that looks right now. First impression, I mean, it looks really clean. The weight feels solid. Doesn't feel cheap or hollow in any sort of way. I mean, the finishing on this just feels amazing. I don't know, if somebody was to hand this to me, I would probably, I mean, I would think that it's expensive. This watch, in retrospect, this watch does come in at about $300, so it is expensive. A couple things I want to clear up because I know this is probably going to get a little bit confusing. This is not a Rolex and it's not an official Seiko either, from my understanding. This is, what they call a mod watch. So inside you have the Seiko movement. That's the engine of this. And everything on the outside was designed to look like the Rolex Daytona. It's just a mashup of both designs. Now, if you want to get into the design, it's the panda dial with the classic Daytona look and the tachymeter bezel, and that's wording straight out of the Rolex design language. And the subdials are laid out exactly like a Daytona. I mean, and even the word Daytona's on here, which is amazing. Now, the bracelet feels decent. Not ratty. Obviously, this doesn't feel like a $30 watch, not even close to it. I know this is where it kind of gets a little weird, right? So it says Seiko, it looks like a Rolex, and it's made by a company that's neither. So what are you actually wearing? If you want the Daytona look, and obviously you're not wanting to spend $40,000, this is your lane. Now I gotta be honest, if you're like a hardcore watch guy, I don't know if this would appeal to you. I know this piece comes in around like $250 to $300. I mean, I think it's awesome. I think it's absolutely awesome. Oh, look at that. Look how simple that is. Okay, so I figured it out. So if I want to tighten it, I just open it this way, and then you could slide it up and down. Ah, that's pretty nifty. Let's try it like that. I like the fact, I thought I was going to have to take it to a jeweler to get it resized. But that's actually a really cool thing. So that's the watch. I mean, I think it looks amazing. I think it feels nice, but I really am interested what you guys think. Is this something that you guys would wear, like a mashup watch like this? Or is this not your thing at all? Just kind of curious on that. I'll put the links to Skyrim Wrist at the bottom so you guys could check them out. I appreciate it. I know this is not typical tech content, but this is totally stuff that I like. I mean, this is awesome. I love stuff like this. Anyway, I appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I hope you, and Skyrim, thank you so much for sending this out to me. This looks absolutely amazing. Anyway, take care, guys.